This is an information video. Does anyone knows what this component is? I will zoom in this for you. It is written as SW520D. The same thing is written in this component also, that is SW520D. This is a two-terminal component and its appearance is similar to a capacitor. Yes, a 10 MFT capacitor. The both terminals are coated with gold. You will also get the same component from electronic shop without gold plating. Its appearance is exactly similar to a capacitor. But this is not a capacitor and it is called tilt switch. You can feel something inside this. You can hear the sound when I am shaking this. A bit more costlier one is also available, and in that you cannot hear any sound because it was filled with mercury, the same liquid metal. But this one is using steel ball or bearing ball. As the name tells, while tilting this it will become on and off. While placing this in vertical with terminals in up position, the switch will be in off, and when tilting to horizontal, the steel ball will touch the terminals and will become on. There are so many use cases for these components. We can use this to any application where position change is sensed and informed to trigger circuits. A very good use case is baggage theft alarm. Suppose you are in an airport or bus stand or railway station or anywhere and you put your baggage down and concentrated to mobiles, and there are chances that somebody will theft it, and you may know this afterwards only. By making an alarm using this component and placing this inside your baggage, and see, if the thief is speaking with position change, the alarm will sound and everyone including you can notice this. You only need a battery, a switch and a buzzer other than this tilt switch for making this. This is also a tilt switch and I bought this from online. This also has sound coming from this while shaking. It was marked as tilt switch in the website, but I cannot see anything more on this circuit. Since this is a 3-terminal, I believe this is used in Arduino circuits. A resistor you can see a 10K is in this board. Other than that resistor, I cannot see anything more on this circuit. I have no idea on this, and the other tilt switch like capacitor, I know that is only a switch, but this one I have no idea. Anyone knows about this, please comment on this video. I will also research on this, and if finding anything I will make a short video on this. In this video I am not making any circuit using this component. I am only explaining details about this component, and I will make a circuit using this component in another video. So please stay tuned to this channel. While spreading the terminals, do not spread it from the base. Instead of, give some space from the base and then spread the terminal. This is because the tube is made up of airtight packing, and also light will not enter because of black covering. This will block the fungus formation and also avoid corrosion to the terminals. The working principle I will explain using a small image. When the steel ball contact with the terminals, it will become on, and when not in contact, it will become off. Using the multimeter, I will show you the continuity testing of the tilt switch. I am connecting the multimeter probes to the terminals of the tilt switch, and you can see there is no continuity now. That is because the steel ball is in the other end. When I am tilting it down, you can see the continuity, and now I am tilting it back, the continuity goes. Now I believe that you understood the working principle of the tilt switch, and if you have any doubt or suggestions related to this video, then please comment on this video. If you believe that this video is useful, then please click like button and also share this to your friends. I will definitely research on this component and will make a video on this with details. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.